I need to thank Volvo Penta for all the collaboration that they have been doing with the Indian Armed Forces in India, and especially as far as today's event is concerned. And I think the presentation that we just saw, that also gives us a lot of confidence that we are on the right track, and hopefully in the years ahead we will see far more development, prosperity, gender equality in the workforce. And I'm very happy to see that your setup has done all this, and great. Thank you very much indeed. Well, I'm a military man. Did a full 40 plus years in the Indian Navy. Well, armed forces as a whole and the Indian Navy in particular, we definitely encourage adventure activities, and I think the result is quite visible in this room over here. I say that because not only Vartika over here with us, who's the skipper of the last run, we also have Commander Dilip Donde, who was the pioneer of this activity, and Mr. Ratnakar, who has been providing us with the boats one after the other, and I hope that will continue and we'll have better and better things to come in the years ahead.
Solo sailing can be a challenge to a person, and the challenge is a person sailing solo has to deal with his own self and to sail with himself and to sail his boat around. Sailing with a crew became a challenge in itself, because not only were we to sail with our own selves, we had to sail with each other, and we also had to live with each other. On top of it, the challenge came when, because of the fact that we did not have any background of ocean sailing prior to volunteering for this project. So it was sort of a completely new thing for us. Majority part of the crew, also belonging to the mountainous sides of the country, had never even seen ocean in their lifetimes. So this came out as the first challenge. Nevertheless, we took it in a sportive spirit and we volunteered for it, not knowing what life had to offer after that. We were then sent to study various theoretical courses. And these are some of the things that we studied in various naval schools in Cochin, about the theory of sailing, learning about the basic seamanship, communication, weather prediction. But definitely this was not going to be a classroom course, and we had to have some practical experience on the boat. 2016, when we undertook our first independent sortie from Visakhapatnam back to Goa, and thereafter there was no looking back. Soon after we came back in Goa, we got the boat ready for another long expedition from Goa to Mauritius, and thereafter from Goa to Cape Town and back. And this became part of our sailing experience prior to setting on the circumnavigation.
I hadn't seen the sea at all. So I just took one boat on my own, and I thought that let me just see how it is. But soon after that, the boat capsized. The day actually I started sailing, I promised to myself that I will never count my miles.
A sailor is an artist whose medium is the wind.
I personally used to feel, what is it? It is craziness, yeah. But ocean sailing is peace.
You feel very, very small when you watch the vast expanse of the sea.